Today I'm gonna do a complete inspection of the hive. Probably all three of the chambers, like the lower chamber, the middle brood chamber, and then the upper honey super. First I wanted to show you how I light my smoke. Got my smoker, and this is what I use to light it with. This is a little butane torch that's refillable. I highly recommend these. You can do a lot with these, but they are great for fire starting. I got this one from Granger. This isn't my favorite. I wouldn't buy this again. I have one at my lake home that I really like. Just for the record, this is the butane torch that I was talking about. It's a Lenk. It's a wall Lenk LPT 200. I really don't see that for sale anymore. They've got the Dash 1, which is just an upgraded model. I'm not really saying that's better than this one or not, but it basically works very similarly. Turning it up on like that, rotating it like so, and then pushing the button in. And it's windy out here right now, so to turn it off, you just slide that, and there you have it. There's the refillable port, and I like it. I don't remember the name of it, but basically you can just, it's got a adjustable burner tip. Push it, light it, lock it. Okay, it's not lit, but there it's lit. So it pretty much lights right off. It's a very hot flame. That's the most trouble I've ever had with this thing. But basically, there's the tip. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's burning pretty nicely. And I'll use that to light it here. I'm going to shut it off now. I just use regular old pine needles. So just scoop them up, light them off, and I'll show you. Here we go. Regular pine needles, throw them up here. Basically, when I light the bottom first, you don't really want that much fire. That's unusual that I had that much fire. Well, now it's smoking pretty good, so I will. There's a little bit of flame starting up. And then you just keep, I mean, depending on how much you want to smoke, and I'm going to be at this for a while, got a feeling, so I'm going to get some material in here. See that? It's a pretty good amount of smoke. Then you take some green grass or whatever, kind of keeps the heat. You can actually grab anything green. I just happen to have some pine needles that are green here. You know, I'm not going to use pine needles because they're kind of resinous. I'll grab some grass. The grass, green grass, actually acts as almost like a filter. It keeps the flames and the heat from getting too hot when you're blowing on the bees directly. So you make sure we're smoking still. Stick that right on top. Don't press too hard, you need a little bit of air in there. Like so. It's not going to be perfect here. There we go. And there we have a smoke red. It's pretty well lit. This will last me 25, 30 minutes, whatever. And I can blow right on my hand, it's not hot. All right, that's how you light a smoker. At least that's how I do it.